ADIL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is ADIL Pharmaceuticals stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. When I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. No, it's all documented in how ADIL is looking like. It's a bearish market, right? Like it's not like I'm sitting here hoping I see it go down. It's just what the price is giving me, and all I'm doing is just sticking to my rules that I've refined over 44,000 videos. No one else has this amount of freaking value videos, honestly. Like it gave me the first breakdown, and now if it gives me a second pull down beneath 38 cents, then it's a sell side for sure. And it is what it is for right now. When is it going to be a buy though? Well, for me to look this as a buy, bullish market, let's say, per se, it must break above 72 cents. Not close to it, but honestly, definitely doable. But I'm just hoping, I'm just waiting right now, you know, not hoping for anything, mainly just reacting. So if you want to get free stock picks and emails daily for free, click the first link in the description, get the free sauce.